Hi, my name is John Fraser with Mountain Home Marketing. I'm going to give you some instructions on how to edit your weekly produce flyer and store flyer inside your website. This message or video is being made for Clayton as a training video to whoever is going to be doing this process within your store. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this web page. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. You're going to go to nature'swayhealthfoodstore.seodle.com/wp-admin. Okay, let me log. Well, once you go to that page, you're basically going to log in with your username and password that you've been given. Once you log into that page, you are going to click on the Media tab and the flyer that you guys have created. So let's say here's your weekly produce flyer that you've created, maybe PDF form. You want to make sure that the flyer is saved in a file format that is at least about 650 to 700 pixels wide. This file that I received, actually, if you right click on it and say info, you'll notice that it says it is 9 megabytes. Okay, and a 9 megabyte file is 1 meg too large, so you have to make that smaller. So either you make your PDF a little bit smaller, or you have to convert it to JPEG or .jpg. So what I did is I basically took this flyer and I created a JPEG of it. And that file size, if you look at it, is actually 1/10 the size. And the reason you really want a small size is because it just opens much faster on mobile devices. So 1/10 the size of the flyer in PDF. And then all you have to do is simply you drag this file over into the media section. It'll say drop files to upload. So the minute you drop it, it's going to upload into that folder. And then when you click on it, it's going to bring up the flyer. And then at the same time, I'm going to label this weekly produce flyer 2.21-2.27 or whatever it's labeled on your end. This line here is not as important as the actual path of this. So when you're done with that, and since I already created one of these, I'm going to delete this. You can delete the last week's flyer and then put the new flyer in if that works too. So here's, let's say, the new flyer. And then I'm going to come over here. Actually, you don't even have to copy the file. You can simply, once it's in there, click over and go find the flyer for produce specials or flyer for the store. I'm going to label that here shortly. But you simply click on the edit button or click on the flyer where it says flyer itself. It's going to open into this field. Do not touch anything in the green, yellowish green section. You only want to touch this little 3 bars here. It's called the little hamburger in the weekly produce section. And down below, you will see produce specials for, and then what you're going to do is you're going to simply highlight that area and then just change that to whatever date that your flyer is for. Make sure you label it 2017, and then you click on the flyer itself. You delete it. Make sure that your cursor is centered. And the way that you do that is you make sure it's not on the left side or the right side. It is on the center with center aligned. And then you simply click on Add Media. And then you click on your flyer. Make sure that your file size is chosen, not thumbnail, not medium, not large, but full size. Now this one happens to be 668 by 1067. So the width is 668. The length is 1067. You can make that flyer as long as you want, as long as it stays underneath the 8 megabyte limit. So choose flyer size and then say insert into page. It's going to bring the whole flyer in. As you can see, it's right there. If you want to preview it, you can. And you can see what the entire page looks like. And there it is. And when you're done, you just simply hit save and exit and then update. Okay. So that's really it. You do the exact same process on your flyer for your store specials, and that's all you have to do on a monthly basis or weekly, however often you do it. Just make sure that before you upload your file, if it's over 8 megabytes, which shows you right over here, see this says 9 point whatever megabytes, that number has to be below 8. And really, you can do it in under 1 meg. If you do that, then everything should work out fine. Okay, have a great day. If you have any questions, feel free to call. It's John with Mountain Home Marketing. Look at mountainhomemarketing.com. My phone number's there. Thanks. Bye-bye.